Sí, aquí sí.
If you refresh again, you'll see all of them. One of them was pending a blocks. Just refresh the web page. You'll see the third one pop up. There's a gap between when they show up as pending and then when they show up as confirmed, because essentially what happens there is they get packaged into a block to get propagated across the network. So as you can see, there's one missing there, but if you refresh it, it will be there. And what you're seeing is when you loaded this page, it was in that middle time of the packaging.
Excellent. But it's still processing, right?
No. That's, see, status is success. So go over and click on event log, the second from the right option. If you go over to the event log and click on that, then you'll be able to see the information that you passed to the API. So you'll be able to see like the temperature data and like the name of the user and whatnot. No, up, go up.
Event log.
It's the third tab. Yeah, click that. And then so you'll see where it says data, change the first hex to address. And that's the address associated with the caller. The second one, if you change to text, will resemble the IP. The third one will resemble the name if you change it to text. The fourth one will resemble the RTU index that you sent. And the fifth one will resemble the temperature that you sent.
Okay, perfect. This exercise runs very fast, right?
Yes, the network is not as bogged down today.
Okay.
With test networks, it's always a varying aspect, which is why you don't use which is why we would have a production network, obviously, so we could have consistent times.
Okay, fine. Joseph, can you make 2 more web consoles, please? Okay. Okay. Can you search it, Joseph, please?
Es una pendiente.
That one, I believe, was the last set of transactions. So essentially what's happening right now is, as we saw before, there's a slight gap between when they're pending and when they're officially confirmed, and that's a packaging and propagation time delay. So if you refresh now, they'll probably show up about now. Yeah, so
okay.
One showed up, and then here in another couple seconds, the last one that was pending before you refresh will show up as well. And that's just the normal propagation time. That will actually be mitigated in the production environment because we'll be using a faster consensus algorithm with a higher throughput. But this is a good example of the way that this is resembled, and it's easy for you to be able to search while we do this. So yeah, if you refresh again, you'll see that the final transaction was confirmed.
Ahí quedó. Y esta fue la última. Esa. Ahí quedó.
Change that to address. That one's address, and then the rest are text. That one's text. They're all text from here.
Text.
Oh, that one's number. My bad. The final one. No. You had that one correct on address. The one with the square, that one's a number. That one's the RTU number. And then the final one is text as well.
Oh, serious.
Okay. It seems to be working. Sam.
Yep.
Okay. For us, there is not any questions yet. I think that we have this with this demo and it's working all right. The next step is to show this demo for a customer, and I think tomorrow could be the day we can show to him. Otherwise, I am here recording this meeting, so we can show to him during the day, and then establish an appointment with him.
Okay. Well, what time's a good time tomorrow then?